Okay, Vespa fans, shout when you can guess what this is. Yeah, you're right, that's a fork link. But it's not just any fork link. This is a fork link that's been tested for 8 years. It's most unique for a few features. One of them is it's designed to improve the stability and handling of a Vespa. The other interesting feature is, I don't know if you can see in the dirt here, that there's a little line down there and in there as well, and this is actually a 2-part link. As far as I'm aware, this one that was first made in 2013 is the original of a split Vespa link. It's got some clever features that are hidden inside that you'll get to see in the future, because we are going to put this into production in a slightly modified form. Whether this inspired anything else, I don't know, but this scooter with this fitted during the 8 years of testing was regularly at Scooterist Meltdown in Germany and also in the display. For a little proof that this Vespa with this link was in Germany on display at Scooterist Meltdown, here's an excellent photo of it, and here's a little video showing why it's all covered in muck. Appears to be somebody blowing up a cake on the front mudguard.